Elsie Natural Healthy Beauty Skin Care Routine.
Okay, so we're going to start by taking our gentle makeup remover, squirting it onto a soft cotton square. Just need a couple squirts and remove the makeup from the eyes. The oils, the essential oils and the vegetable oils in the makeup remover will naturally remove the oil without any type of alcohol or effect on the skin. Very gentle. And I even use a little bit on the back to take off lipstick. Lip pencil, lip gloss comes off very easily as well. So that's for the eyes and for the lips. And done. Now we take our EE Foaming Face Wash. Just a couple pumps into the hand. Very light lathering without any sulfates. And just rub it onto the skin very gently. And again, the essential oils will dissolve all of the oils from the makeup and the cosmetics. Oh, the magic of television. There you go. Look at that. Clean face. Ta-da! All done. All right, now we take our chocolate sugar facial polish. And it is delicious. Smells great. Made with natural cocoa powder, sugars. Delicious. It's like chocolate in a jar. Just take a little spatula, just take a little scoop of it. Put it into your hand and start gently placing it onto the face. Now that the face is clean, it's going to work on a deeper level to scrub all the excess skin, dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. Use gentle circular motions to spread the chocolate sugar facial polish onto the skin. You don't need to go anywhere near the eyes because you've cleaned the eyes already with the makeup remover. And you've also washed with a foaming wash, so the eyes are okay. And the skin around the eyes is very delicate as well, so you wouldn't want to exfoliate around the eyes. And usually when I do this, I give a nice circulating massage just to get the blood circulation moving. Nice circular motions, upward, outward, over the eyebrows. Get all that dead skin off of the face. Ooh, yep. Okay, yeah, it tastes good. There we go. Lovely. A little bit goes a long way. Oh, magic, magic. There we go. Once again. And face is clean. You just wash that off gently with a soft cloth and lukewarm water. My face feels great. It's soft, smooth, and you can see some of the red from the circulation. This is our oil-free day lotion, which we're using as a toner. It's very light, clear, and with upward motions, just rub some of that gentle, cool, soothing lotion into the skin. that you've just exfoliated. All those new cells are getting that colloidal oatmeal and essential oils down the neck, décolleté area. That skin needs it too. Beautiful. And as I touch it again, it's already absorbed into the skin already. Lovely. Then I take my anti-wrinkle treatment and I just squeeze a tiny little drop, just a pea-sized drop, into my hand. Put it on the pads of the fingers and very gently just tap, 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 tap around the orbital bones up into the hairline, all around the eye area, the orbital bones. And to get the circulation going again, gentle taps. Just little butterfly kisses, taps around the eyes, a beautiful light little massage. They do this at spas as well. That's what you want to prevent wrinkles. You want circulation. Beautiful. Smells like roses. Lovely. You want the circulation in the skin to plump the skin naturally. So that massage is great. Again, around the décolleté as well. This is the EE Facial Cream, Everlasting Essentials Facial Cream. There, we don't touch the product inside. We squeeze it out the top, and that's just enough. Again, a little pea-size amount. Lovely. We're not opening the bottle at all. There you go. Rub it to the tops of the fingers and pat it to the face. It's going to absorb very quickly. Beautiful motions on the skin upward, very gently around the eyes, down the nasal labia. Beautiful. Chin upwards in the face, get into the neck area, all over the skin there. And that absorbs beautifully. Look at that natural glow from the oils. And I do this treatment at night, and it's so good to soak in all night long. Face is clean, and those new cells that have been brought to the surface are getting all this beautiful treatment. The décolleté again. And there we go. And of course, you finish off, the lips are skin as well. So I take my signature lip balm and just dabble on the lips. Beautiful. All natural, beautiful. And that's the LC Natural daily and weekly skin routine. There are the results. Hope you enjoyed.
Hi everybody, Louise Camilleri here with LC Natural Healthy Beauty, and I hope you enjoyed that video on how to do your own skincare regime at home. The most important thing is to actually do one, first and foremost, especially depending on where you live, your weather conditions, even weather changes. And a second important thing is to cater it to you. Only you know your sensitivities, you know your skin type. You know if fragrance affects you, if you have rosacea, if you have eczema, if you have acneic skin, then maybe you can't use certain scrubs. You can't use certain products due to the fragrance in the products. All this affects your skin. And the most important beauty secret, first and foremost, is to drink lots of water. We need water. Products work better when there's water internally. You don't want to be buying water in your product and spending money on that when water is free. So drink as much as you can. That's going to help your skin, help the cells, help to rejuvenate the cells. And once you do a proper routine to remove makeup, to exfoliate all the dead skin cells, and to moisturize the new cells underneath, you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please leave some comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. My YouTube channel, and we'll do lots more videos. And if you have any questions, don't forget to just email me, louise@lcnatural.com, and I can answer all your questions. And maybe one day we'll go live and do something live and answer some questions live. So take care until next time, and keep yourself healthy and beautiful. Bye.